Morning friends, just a little update from me, Phil. Hi, how are you? Just had a great chat with Thomas Power. I just thought I wanted to get some questions asked about some of the thinking that I'm running through at the moment. And very, very useful conversation. And yes, a very, very, very good man to chat to if you've got things to mull through. So just a little update from me about the growth of things. I thought it'd be useful just to kind of share what I've kind of learning about my activities on social media and the digital platform, how it's going. The interesting thing is, so in the last 14 days, the traffic to my www has gone up by 350% since I've been doing regular video kind of vlogging, bits of information, news, tips on all the channels. So the words that Thomas uses is I've kind of started cocktailing all of my observations and learnings onto lots of different platforms. So the traffic to the site's up 350%, which obviously I'm starting from small numbers, but that's kind of pushing up to around about 200, 300 people a day are unique visitors are coming to the www. And that seems to be amazing for me. So the other thing that's worth sharing that I found quite interesting is obviously I'm trying to work out which channel I should actually invest a bit more time in to try and get a bit more traction to the traffic to my website. And it looks like the order is that I get quite a lot of traffic from Facebook, which is really, really good. I also get quite a lot of traffic from LinkedIn, and then after that it's a dribble of Twitter and YouTube. YouTube seems to be slowly getting me traction. My channel on YouTube's got had about 10,000 views in the last 30 days. I guess that's good. I guess that's small. I don't know, but it's kind of building. What else is worth sharing? Oh yeah, the other thing that's really, really interesting, and it's a bit of a puzzle on my part that I shared with Thomas, is I'm getting